He says, that's a very big hole for a budgie. He says, it's a Uri cat. Anyways, well, I'm into the pet shop. There's the mom behind the counter. Set a parcel up. Says you 10 minutes to get out. Or I'd say you're not giving the tortoise much of a chance. Pet shop, you think that? Well, I did a pet shop. Johnson ignored me here, but Austin didn't go down too bad. Well, I did a pet shop. Says the pet shop owner, he says, why are the budgies on the top shelf more expensive than the budgies on the bottom shelf? Says they're entire purchase. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce Cara Gray here. Cara is a local girl. Desert Marching Road is not very like Yamaha everywhere that I know about Desert March. She's passionate about her gospel music. She's already released a CD and is working on a second one, which she hopes to release in the autumn. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Cara. Cara